In this video, I will show you the 5 solutions on how to fix the camera app crashing or showing black screen on the iPhone 16 or the 16 Pro Max. First, let's go back to the home screen. Now swipe up at the bottom to return back to the home screen. And the first thing that you want to do, or the first solution, is to try and update your iOS software. So go into settings, and in settings we scroll down and tap on general. Next, tap on software update, and make sure you have updated your software to iOS 18.1. Now a lot of the updates, after you install the update, it fixed a lot of issues, including the camera not working correctly. Now in here you can see it said this release also includes enhancement to camera control, the ability to capture spatial photos, record phone calls, and other features, bug fixes, and security updates for your iPhone. So a lot of the people experience that after updating to iOS 18.1, their camera start to work again. So go ahead and tap on the update now button to update your iOS to 18.1. So that is the first solution. Another one that you can try is to force restart your iPhone. So what you want to do is press on the volume up, then quickly let go, press and let go on the volume down, then press and hold on the power button or the side button until you see the Apple logo appear. So let's try it now. Volume up, volume down, press and hold on the side button. So press and hold, continue to hold until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. Okay, so once you see the Apple logo appear on the screen, let go of the button. Okay, now try to launch the camera and see if it starts working now. If not, you can move on to solution number 3. Now, if you happen to have a Mac wallet on your phone, and if that case is non-genuine, or if it's not Apple, then try to take it off and then restart the phone and see if you still have an issue with the phone. Some people reported that when you are using the Mac wallet that is not from Apple, it can cause an issue with the camera. So give that a try and see if that fixes your camera issue. If not, we will try solution number 4. Now in here, what you can do is go into settings. So tap on settings, and in settings we scroll down and tap on camera. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and turn off macro control. Now for some reason, when macro control is switched on, there is a bug that caused the camera to crash and not working correctly. So try to turn off macro control and see if that helps fixing the camera issue. Finally, if you have tried all of those solutions above and if you still have a problem, then what you can do is to wipe your phone completely. So you want to perform a full factory reset. Now this can be cumbersome because when you are resetting the device, you will close a lot of the data on the phone, including photos, notes, contacts, and a lot of other settings on your phone, and you can spend hours restoring the data. So this is the last option. Make sure you back up your data before you resetting the phone. Now this will need to be a complete wipe, so you want to wipe everything off and then restore your phone, but do not transfer any data over. So you want to set up your phone as a new device. So when you wipe off the device, then go through the process of setting up your phone as a clean device. So do not transfer any data over, do not migrate any data over. Once you have set up a brand new phone without transferring any data, try to launch the camera and see if you have any issues. If after that the camera is working fine, you can slowly restore your data such as photos, notes, and other things from iCloud backup. So if you have backup to iCloud, you can restore it from the iCloud. If you backup from your your data to your computer or your MacBook, you can restore them from the computer. So give it a try first, give it a try with the first 4 solutions. If they don't work, then you can move to the last option, which is to perform a full reset. To do that, you can go into settings. In settings, I'm going to go back to the main settings page. Then we scroll down and tap on general. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Next, we go down and choose erase all content and settings. And then tap on continued. And then now we choose erase iPhone. So are you sure you want to erase all media, content, and settings? This cannot be undone. So if you are sure, tap on erase iPhone. Now I'm not going to erase my iPhone right now because it's going to take a lot of time to set it up again. But go ahead and reset all your data. Again, make sure you back them up first. You can back it up via iCloud settings. So go to your iCloud account and set up, or and back it up, or you can back up your whole device to your computer. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I hope one of the solutions in this video can help you fix your camera issue. Thank you for watching.